Hey guys, One Clue here. I hope all of you are doing really well and having a really great day. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Mysterium. That's a cryptocurrency that is focused on providing decentralized and secure VPN services. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to protect your online privacy. So stay tuned. So first things first, let's talk about what Mysterium is. Mysterium is a peer-to-peer network that allows users to rent residential IP addresses from other users in exchange for Mysterium's native token, MIST. This creates a decentralized and secure VPN network that enables users to access the internet anonymously and securely. But you might ask, hey, how does this work? Well, when a user wants to access the internet securely, they can connect to the Mysterium network and rent an IP address from a node operator. The node operator then forwards the user's traffic through their own IP address, effectively masking the user's IP address and location. The user pays for this service using the MIST token, which is transferred directly to the node operator's wallet on the blockchain. Now let's talk about how to use the Mysterium network. To get started, you will need to download the Mysterium app and create a wallet to hold the Mysterium token. Once you have a wallet, you can use it to pay for the VPN service on the Mysterium network. In this example, I use MetaMask. To connect to the Mysterium network, simply open the Mysterium app, as I did, and select the node that you want to connect to. You can choose a node based on its location, speed, and price. Once you've connected to a node, your traffic will be forwarded through that node's IP address, and your online activities will be kept private and secure. I will quickly demonstrate this to you. They have two different options. You can either choose to click on the Quick Connect. So I will do this. It will try to find the nearest host or the best host that is nearest to me and has a low latency. In the first place, this takes a couple of seconds. So I simply click on Quick Connect, and it's trying to find the best nearest location of the best nearest node operator that is sitting. Basically, it's checking all the nodes in my area, and it's trying to find the best price and the best latency. So I just choose the Quick Connect. What you could also do is, if I click on Disconnect, I could change over here to the Manual Connect, and now I can either try to find a node by its node name. All of them have it's similar to a wallet address. They have some numbers. I also could try to find a node in a specific country, for example, Switzerland, Thailand, whatever I want to choose. But most of the nodes sits either in the United States or plenty of them are also in Germany, as far as I know. Around 833 are in Germany. And here's something interesting. You see this R with the black circle around this. If you see this logo in front of the node's name, this means that this is a residential IP address, and basically you're connecting to a residential IP address. If there's no R in front of the node name, then you are connecting probably to a node that's sitting somewhere in a data center. And this is not fully in concern of being decentralized and secure. This is not fully the best way to connect to a node, but you could imagine that those nodes are on a high capacity and a high network rate. So it also comes with a benefit, and downside is mostly like a double-sided sword. Yep, and that's it. You're now using the Mysterium network to protect your online privacy with a decentralized and secure VPN network. Mysterium offers a great alternative to traditional VPN services such as big companies that you already know. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you on the next one.